I wanted to make a detailed video about the magic of oil and how to use it in your life on a daily basis. I think one of the things that saved me from arthritis, eczema, and so many of my other issues that I was facing, including dryness, I used to smoke 3 packets of cigarettes a day. My skin was so tight and so dry. I had wrinkles beginning to come at the age of 36. So, one of the things that really literally saved my life is oil and ghee. So today I want to share with you the secret of how to use exactly what and when. Ghee is probably one of the most beautiful things on the planet. It's something I swear by, and anybody who says it's bad for your cholesterol, it's bad for your heart, slap them. How you have ghee is if you have insomnia, for example, you take 4 drops of warm ghee in your nose, just put it up in your nostril, in each nose, 4 drops each, and suck it in, and then after 10 minutes, go to sleep. Most of the time, for a lot of my students, their insomnia has been cured. You can also take ghee and put it on the sole of your foot and apply there before you sleep again for a really good night sound sleep. Also, I have learned that you can put ghee on the navel. When you apply ghee in the navel, you're nourishing your Manipura chakra and the 72,000 nadis which are coming and congregating at the navel. So that's one way to use ghee. Of course, you have as much ghee as possible. So the maximum amount of ghee you must know is not more than 2 or 3 spoons in the day and 1 or 2 spoons in the night. Sesame oil is another magical thing that we are blessed with in India. There are many ways of using sesame oil. I use it for Abhyanga every morning. The first thing in the morning, as soon as I wake up, I give myself a massage with sesame oil. In fact, in Ayurveda, it's considered as the most important of all the oils. So, when I'm traveling, the 3 oils always go with me. One is sesame, one is coconut, and one is castor oil. Again, castor oil is also magical. It's called the Botox of all the oils. If you put it on your skin, it has the same effect on your skin as Botox would. It really goes inside your skin and hydrates it and nourishes it, and it causes the delay and the onset of wrinkles by years and years, making you look younger and more beautiful. Coconut oil is again something which is so magical, so beautiful. In fact, a friend of mine told me one day that he was really sad that his father was diagnosed with the onset of dementia. I told my friend, you give your father 2 spoons of organic cold pressed coconut oil first thing in the morning as soon as he wakes up. At the age of 80, the onset of dementia, which was happening, with the doctors will always tell you is an autoimmune disease and cannot be reversed, got reversed. And his father, today at 86, is perfectly fine, no dementia. So, whether it's arthritis, whether it's digestive issues, whether it's your hair, whether it's your skin and the glow on the skin that you want, there's so many useful, divine, magical properties related to oil and ghee. And it's such a long list of benefits that I'll need another 40 minutes to talk about it. But I want to just put you on the path to understanding the magic of oils and ghee and how you need to research on your own and find out what more uses there are, because there are multiple uses, multiple way of consuming it externally and internally. Understand how important oil and ghee is for your life. Use it for your life. Live happy. Be healthy. Satnam.